Channel. Today we are going to make amberscholl. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the Curious Girl channel. Today we are going to make amberscholl inspired DIY dreamboard. Wait, did I mention amberscholl? Much better. To be honest, I redid the eyeliner about 3 to 4 times. Still I feel it's not equal on both of my eyes. So I know she looks a lot better. She looks something like this with the makeup on. And I am anyways a disaster. So let's begin with our DIY. Start with the things we need. A scissor, a tape, and I am the actual broke bitch. So I had this black board. Not a board actually, this is a paper, and which is torn from a side. I'll just cut this portion from here and then begin my work. Here are the photographs which are needed for my DIY, and I have to cut them. So let's start the work. Look, before beginning, I would like to confess one thing. I am a gawar and I did not know about this DIY dreamboard thing. I watched Amber's video and I came to know about it. I watched her video recently, I think about a week ago, and I got an idea that I can make on my own because I seriously have some goals. And before this, I used to have this journal. I actually will use it now also. So in this journal, I have my goals to reach in 2020, but you know, it's always not in front of me. Sometimes I miss it, sometimes I hide it, sometimes I want to throw it and whatnot. So if I have this dream board in front of me, that will be very convenient because all the things will be in front of me whenever I'm in my room. That hardly happens, but still, it's more convenient than this thing. Also, I am a very huge fan of amberscholl and I will love if she reacts to this video, if this video reaches her anyhow. So please do help me, people. Yeah, such man, please do help me for this. So let's begin with our DIY, okay? Dreamboard thing. So I did do my work pretty decently, and these are all the photographs which I'll stick. I'll also tell you the reason. So I just have to sort them out. So this will be my central quote: learn to love yourself. Actually, this is quite a problem with me. So it's not like I don't love myself. I seriously love myself and I love to pamper myself and a lot of things. But I don't get time for myself. Sometimes it also happens that I don't get to eat the whole day, although I want to. I really do want to exercise, but sometimes it happens that I don't have time for that. I get really very tired. So this will be my center of attraction. I really want to love myself, and my makeup is sucking at this point. The liner took me around half an hour and now it's all a mess. So let's continue further. And this will come beside it. I am a person who forgets to wash her face. Seriously, this is very funny, but this happens with me. I seriously forget to wash my face. Yes, I seriously do. Such mein. I'm not lying about this. I seriously forget to wash my face. And this is also a very mandatory thing with me. I think I don't get enough time for me because I am not punctual enough. So this is also very important. I have to work a lot on this. I think if I'll be punctual, I'll just get a lot of time for me. And then I want to motivate myself with some quote. I'll probably put it here. Kindness is a passport that opens door. Most important things after these is for me to clear my exam. I know my cutting sucks, please ignore this. I seriously want to clear my exam this year, so I have to study hard for it. I am trying, but I have to work harder. I know this, okay? I have to work really hard. And then I would love to work for my channel, for it to have 1,000 subscribers. This is totally Amber's idea. I just, what do we call it? Cutting, pasting, or editing, or photoshopping. Yes, I just photoshopped this. And then for this channel to grow further, I would love for it to have 1K views on a video first. Obviously, I cannot jump to 1,000 subscribers just like that. This is very important part. So at least on a video. I mean, I have to make a video viral also, and the content should be amazing and great, but this will be the beginning. 1K videos. This will be my first step. Then what would I do next? If you talk about my channel, this is my goal of the year, to get 1,000 likes. I am trying to get 1000 likes on a single video. I mean, I will try to get 1000 likes on a single video. But if that does not happen, I won't lose hope. And at least the wholesome amount counts up to this number. You know, I am very bad at explaining things. So then, other than this, the most important part with me these days is this. And I am seriously working very hard for it. Okay. I also want to learn a little dancing, as I don't know how to dance at all. My dancing really sucks. It really sucks. Okay. So I want to learn a bit of dancing. And then in self-care comes the portion, this book. This is Ikigai, a Japanese secret to a long and happy life. Look, I am purely a bookworm, okay? And I'm not lying about it. It is what it is. I have read this year around 7 to 8 books minimum. And I can sit in library 24/7. I seriously love reading books. But this is one of the books which I am not able to read. So it's not like I don't read these kind of books. I do. I have read a few. But this one, I don't know. I'm not able to finish it. Something comes in between whenever I try to read this book. So I want to read this one first. When I read it, I will change this and then we'll go for another book. This. I want to paint a painting of this size. I do have the canvas stretching at home. I mean, I have the frame, but I don't have canvas right now. So this will be my goal of the year. I want a painting of this size in my house. Okay, what's next? Then again, talking about self-care. I want to fix my teeth. Which teeth? Tooth, sorry. I want to fix my teeth. Actually, I want to fix my teeth, but first I want to fix my tooth. I'll show you. Did you see it moving? I don't know. I could capture this on camera or not, but this literally moves, and it's also longer than this one. It was a tragic accident. Let's not talk about it. I will tell this in story time or something. I just want to get it fixed. Just one. Then I'll go for other things. Okay. Going further for the self-care thing, where should I put? I think this will be good here. Oh god. I want to grow my hair long. Seriously. Not this long. This is very long. But I want to grow my hair long and straight and shiny. I am not a person who loves her hair or whatever. But I do want to love them now. And I want to do this. Okay. And then the next thing is I want to get my bike fixed. It is in a pretty broken condition now. And I did not break it, okay? My sister did. It was all her fault. But I have to get it fixed. I love my scooty very much. I just want to get it fixed. It's just lockdown time period. So I'm not able to go and get it fixed. And also I am a very lazy person for all these things. I don't get enough time. And now it's lockdown. So, and shit happened. Fix this later, you'll get bored. And the next thing is this. I love her. Isabella Swan, Isabella Cullen. I love her. I love this girl. At a time I also owned a jacket like this, but this photo is here because I want a lipstick color of this shade. I actually had one before, but it got expired and it was not the exact same color. I want the exact same color, very exact same color like this. Also, I want to color my hair if I got a chance. I want to grow my hair long and smooth, and also I want to color my hair. I don't know if both of the things are possible. Will be possible. I don't know if both of the things will be possible, but all I can do is trying. Then, look, I don't clearly know about this. Road trip, COVID-19, question mark, question mark. I don't know, baby. Next. I don't want to share the details about this. My job is done pretty decently and I cannot believe it looks so good. I'll just go ahead and paste on this wall. I'll describe you all the areas further. This is my central court.
And this is all my creative section. YouTube seriously gives me confidence and it makes me more creative. I know I'm still new, but it has boosted a lot in me, seriously a lot. And this is my fitness section. These are the things which I would love to repair or buy or whatsoever. And this is my career section, the 2 things related to career which I want to do. What was that? And this is my personal care section. And this, as you can see what it is whatever, leave it. And this is my traveling section. I don't know if I'll be able to do this or not. It's looking so good on the wall, it's literally giving me goal vibes. So if you guys love this video, it is totally okay to like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and also you can share if you want. That will be fine, totally fine, seriously. I won't do anything. Please just do it. Please just hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon. I won't kill you. Such man. Bye.